Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is July the 31st, 2022. We're going to talk about Amazon today, and I'm trying to give you all what's going on with this particular stock. You guys can see that the market has broken out away from my price prediction. My original intention was to see Amazon stock go down, and you all can see that did not happen. So I'm here today to show you what I think the market is about to do next. Now, as we continue to talk, I'm going to show you some things that let you know when you need to come through and exit out your position. When you understand that you got a losing position, you need to go ahead and cut it as soon as possible without increasing those losses. All right, because every price prediction is not going to go correct. Now, I'm one of the first ones to tell you that. I'll give you all my full transparent price predictions when it also occurs to me, so that we can learn, so that we can understand when the market is trying to tell us something opposite of what we originally intended. So if you guys want to join me, welcome. Hit that like button. Should have been also subscribed to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because you would definitely want to be in tune with what I have to say and what I have to show you, because this game is not complicated, nor is it hard to do. So last video that I've done in Amazon was on July the 15th, and I was looking for the price in Amazon to go down. So let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it real. The market in Amazon did not do that, right? Now, I told you throughout that video that once I see the price in Amazon break this overall ascending line, right? You guys can see as I zoom out the chart, the market here in Amazon is now trading well above this overall trend, which is fantastic. We want to allow the market in Amazon to confirm this for us. We are now back above this overall long-term trend line. That's one indication to tell us we need to be bullish now. We need to lean towards the buyer's market of them controlling this stock. This is what this represents now that we see the market in Amazon trading all the way up here. Okay, we got it. That's one indication that told us that the market in Amazon was giving us some weakness, right? That occurred not long after I did my video. July the 19th, the price came and broke outside of our ascending line to the upside. It did it right here. Okay, right here on July the 19th. Now, you guys can see that following July the 19th, here on July the 20th, the market here in Amazon still trending higher. We came back down on July the 26th and tested that ascending line. The buyers confirmed right here on July the 26th that they still want to buy Amazon stock at that price, and they lifted the market higher to where on Friday, July the 29th, the market closed up around $134, $135 on a decent amount of volume. Look at that volume that came in on that particular one day. That tells you that this market has changed its trajectory. The sentiment has switched from Amazon trending down to one of us looking for the market to go up. So the market did not go the way I expected it. So yeah, this was a losing price prediction. It went against us at least 12.14%. If you guys would have listened to my video on July the 15th, if we were to get out on the last trade of yesterday, on Friday, that would be 22%. It happens. But now I see what the market is trying to do. This is a bullish stock right now. This is what's going on into the market in Amazon. So we need to come in and revamp our price chart. So let's go ahead and clean this up. Let's go ahead and get rid of that horizontal line. Okay. We all can see now that the overall trend is now intact. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend out this long-term trend, because the market here in Amazon is now on an upward move. Now, let me show you something else on a longer perspective. I'm going to show you all the weekly chart in the market in Amazon that tells us that this overall trend is still bullish. Like, look at this weekly price bar right here in Amazon. Look at that. This market is massively bullish in Amazon right now. Now, it doesn't mean that we won't see any trading days where price comes down. You won't expect that. The market will go down, especially as we see the market approach $140. That area is going to impact Amazon's price. Okay, now I'm looking at 145 too. $145 also could be a problem into the market for the buyers. But this very widespread, I want you all to see that. That's a very widespread movement higher. The market's trying to take this price higher. This is what this 2 weekly price bar represents. We have to follow the market. Look at this on the 3 weeks. Look at this 3 weekly price bar. It's about the same thing. We started out this 3 weekly price bar trending down in Amazon only to see the price go up. Now, I think we are encroaching upon some selling. Okay, that 140, $145 price level is where I'm looking for the initial bout of sellers to enter the market in Amazon. That might be a hard sell point too. So we may not see price in Amazon actually run up past 145. I just want to give you all that as well. Look at this on the 5-weekly chart though. So look at this 5-weekly price bar. Again, it's a lot of bullishness in this stock. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything to you all. I'm going to keep it real. This market here in Amazon looks massively bullish, especially as to what occurred the prior 2 5-weekly price bars, right? Look at these 2 prior 5-weekly price bars. Look at this one. We saw this massive move to the downside in Amazon. This falling one, we still saw selling, but the market didn't close lower than the previous one. You see that, right? And then on this last completed one, look at this. The market currently closed all the way up here towards the high of the bar. All of this is indicative that the market is now trending higher. It is what it is. We followed the market. Amazon doesn't look weak right now. And then when you see this on the monthly time frame, look at this. So during the month of May, the market in Amazon went down, but it closed up here towards the high of the bar. The next month, it closed back down in June. But look at the month of July. Look at it. It literally traded past the last high from last month. So that's why I'm going to continue to expect some upward momentum to occur in Amazon. Now, from out the gate, be prepared for the price to come down. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this back on the chart. Daily time frame. We're going to look for the market in Amazon to continue to trend higher. Okay. And we're going to look for this to occur as we continue to approach the month of August. Okay, now let's go ahead and try to figure out support. This is going to be my support area around 125 in the market in Amazon, definitely right here towards our ascending line. Okay, so that's going to be our support area. If we were to see the market in Amazon come all the way back down here, right? Let's say that the price begin to decline. Sellers come in and bring the price all the way back down to this ascending line and the market bounces. That's cool. The market is just going to continue to trend this way. That's going to be our expectation. All right. So now that's going to be our support area right there around 120. Okay. Right here, 120. Now, that first area that I told you all that we may see sellers is going to be right there around 140. That gives us a profitability of about 3.74%. That is where we need to be prepared to take some money off the table, just to keep it real, because this is the last point that the market in Amazon got rejected, right here. These 3 areas is where the price in Amazon got rejected. So I want us to be prepared to nibble off of that area once the price runs up there. Second price target is up here around 145. That's around 7.6%. Okay, 145. That's where we're looking for the market in Amazon to run towards. And then my third one is around 150. Okay, these are my 3 price targets. We have 140, 145, and 150 in the market in Amazon. And that's it. So you guys can see overall that might be a profitability of around 10.9% movement higher. And then again, from a monthly perspective, if the bullishness continues, I wouldn't even be too concerned for the market in Amazon to get rejected. It might go up a lot higher to 160 in the long term, but that's going to take time. All right, so we have more opportunities to talk about Amazon as we see the market trade throughout the month of August and September. All right, so I am done. It is your turn. Go ahead and give me your idea as to what you think is going on with Amazon. Like, after the last couple of months, after us seeing the weakness, after we saw this massive downturn occur in Amazon, now we're seeing the market come back up. It's seeming to me like the risk is back on in Amazon. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.